tribal area of Assam was suffering of insurgency for decades. But due to the effort of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and because of the initiative of Home Minister Amit Shah, now all the tribal area of Assam become completely peaceful. Now they are in a journey of development. Huge development is taking place in our hill district, and you can see the support, sea of support for our candidate. That symbolizes
only for
the development of the Prime Minister.
How do you like to define these elections, particularly on the national context?
This election is to re-elect Prime Minister. People of India wants Prime Minister Narendra Modi to continue and lead India towards Amrita. That is why this election is basically to re-elect Prime Minister Narendra Modi. I don't think there is any other issue in this election except people of India wants to elect Prime Minister. It is a formality. Every 5 years we have to vote. Otherwise, there was no need of even this election because people have already made up their mind to bless Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So it is just the election for the formality's sake. Only thing we have to try, Abki Bar, Sarso Par. That is the only thing we have to put effort.
Earlier on multiple counts you have said that you don't want minority votes, but this time it has been seen that many minority people are coming forward.
Every election is fought in a different platform. Last time our people were insecure because of many reasons. But last 3 years, right from delimitation of the constituency, different accord with the tribal militant group, with Alpha, now Assamese people are feeling much safer and much secure. So this election is basically for the development and for the re-election of Prime Minister. So we are fighting this election only for development. But when assembly election will come, local issues will come. But this election we are fighting on a national perspective. And we are following the way Prime Minister wants us to conduct this election. That let us speak about development, let us speak about vision for Amritkal, and we are doing this. Also, we are now feeling much safe and much secure. We have done delimitation of the constituency. Many accord has been signed. Lot of policies has been taken to secure the land rights of the local and indigenous people. We did lot last 3 years to win the battle of Sarai, and we have won the battle.
Sir, do you think that after this election, India will reach a new height in the country?
Obviously, India will reach height as a developed nation by 2047. So we have to work this period, and that is why PM has defined this period as an Amrit Kal of our history. So we need to work hard. If we don't work, that golden moment will not come. But if we continue to work along with the vision and leadership of Prime Minister Modi, then India will be a developed nation by 2047.
So last question, so China has actually given the geographical names of the 30 places in Arunachal Pradesh.
I think government, my demand that, my request to government of India that we should give 60 geographical names to the Tibetan area of China. So it should be always tit for tat, but I don't want to comment because it is a policy decision of government of India. But if they have named 30, we should name 60.
Thank you.